Welcome to Learn Yourself. Question number 1. Give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve the equation. So here we have to perform two steps. In first step, we have to separate the variable and then we have to solve the equation. In this equation, x minus 1 equals to 0. X is the variable, where 1 is the number and 0 is also the number. Now in this equation, we have two sides, RHS, that is x minus 1, and LHS, that is equals to 0. Now this is our equation that x minus 1 equals to 0. Now if we want to separate this variable, we have to remove this minus 1. How to remove this minus 1? That if we will add here plus 1, then we can cancel out both of these numbers which are having opposite sign, that minus 1 and plus 1. But by doing so, we also have to add 1 towards LHS. In equation, whatever operation we are doing, that we have to do at both the side. If we are adding, then we have to add at both the side. If we are subtracting, then we have to subtract at both the side. Now let us solve this. So minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled it out, and here our x is alone. So we have separated this x. So this is the first step where we have separated our variable. And in next step, when we will solve it, this both of the numbers will get cancelled out and we will get x equals to 0 plus 1 equals to 1. And in next step, we have solved our equation. So both the steps we have performed and we have solved our equation. That first we have added opposite signs, same number, and then we solved the equation. So this is how we have to solve all the equation for this question number 1. So first numerical we have already seen it. Now let us start from second numerical. B, x plus 1 equals to 0. Let us first solve all the numericals and understand it. Then I'll show you how to write it in a notebook. So x plus 1 equals to 0. Here our RHS is x plus 1. Here as you can see, plus 1 is here. So if we want to remove this plus 1, we have to subtract this RHS with minus 1. So this equation with 1 at both the side. So while we are doing subtraction, I am adding here minus 1 towards RHS, and the same way I am writing here minus 1 towards the LHS side. Why? Because I want to separate the variable. Now this both are of opposite sign, so I am cancelling out, and when I am solving this equation, I will get it here x equals to minus 1. So that is going to be my answer, that I have solved equation over here and first I have separated the variable. So whatever sign will be there towards RHS with the number, we have to add the same number with opposite sign. Then only we can separate the variable. Now let us understand equation C. X minus 1 equals to 5. Now our RHS has x minus 1. So let us add here plus 1, and similarly towards left hand side also let us add here plus 1. So at both the side I have added plus 1 towards RHS and towards LHS. Now let us solve this equation. So minus 1 and plus 1 will get cancelled out. I got here x equals to 5 plus 1 will give me 6. Equation D, x plus 6 equals to 2. So already x plus 6 is there. Now if I want to remove this plus 6, I have to subtract here with 6. So with opposite sign, this both number will get cancelled out and I will get my variable separated. Same way, if I have subtracted 6 from RHS, I am going to subtract with 6 towards LHS also. So I got here x equals to, now here subtraction is there but bigger number has minus sign. So I will get here 4 but it will get bigger number sign. So it is going to be x equals to minus 4. Equation E. y minus 4 equals to minus 7. Now if I want to separate this y, I have to cancel out this 4. I have to remove this minus 4. For that, minus 4 is already there, so I am going to add plus 4. And the same way, towards left hand side, I am going to add plus 4. So these two numbers will cancel out. I will get y equals to, now see here, minus sign is there. So because of this minus sign, this is going to be subtraction. 7 minus 4, I will get here 3. But bigger number has a minus sign, so this 3 also will get minus. So y equals to minus 3. F equation is y minus 4 equals to 4. So y minus 4 is there. If I want to make my variable separated, then I have to add here 4. And similarly towards LHS, I am going to add 4. So these two numbers will get cancelled out. I will get here y equals to 4 plus 4, 8. Equation G, y plus 4 equals to 4. So y plus 4 is there. If I want to remove this 4, I have to subtract with 4. And similarly towards LHS, I have to subtract with 4 too. So plus 4 and minus 4 will get cancelled out. I will get y equals to 4 minus 4, 0. H equation is y plus 4 equals to minus 4. So y plus 4 is already there. So I am going to subtract here with 4, and similarly towards LHS I am going to subtract with 4. We cannot change the sign. Whatever sign we are using to separate the variable, same sign, same number, we have to use it towards LHS. Now plus 4 and minus 4, I can cancel it out, and here y equals to minus minus will become plus. These two minus sign are there. So we have to add them. So 4 plus 4, it will become 8. But both are having minus sign. This answer will also has minus sign. So that is how we have solved this equation. Now this is the pattern. With this pattern, we have to write in our notebook that we have to add here statement that what operation we are going to do on the equation. That if we add 1 to both the side of equation, then what will happen? Then we got this step, and after that we have solved this and we got x equals to 1. So this is how you can write it in your notebook. So thank you for watching and learning with us. If you have any doubt, please comment down below. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing, and don't forget to subscribe Learn Yourself.